evening, Kholle, the Goa Dairy, Four-Way Junction. Now it's been 2 months past that this work has finally not been completed. I'm the one who's only raising the voices. Authorities are not bothered to complete this work. See the rocky mud road they have given us. Goa deserves quality of roads. Councillors from Kholle are not bothered of these roads. Where is the safety for the people? You all are making only debt to cause here, nothing else. Authorities, Mr. MLA Joshua, look at this. Look what your Kholle has become. I'm signing out right now. I'll be coming another 15 days time. I give 15 days to clear this mess. What rubbish development? What name? Development, sake of development. What are you providing? And goodbye.